What's up, Camp Logic? We're back again today with another STEM activity for you all. And we figured, man, it's so hot and everything. What can we do to enjoy a hot day? For one, we could drink some water. Skip that, because today we're going to be making some fresh, soft serve ice cream. To make your ice cream, there are just a few ingredients that you're going to need. First, you're going to need some ice. Next, you're going to need half and half. After that, it's important to have some sugar. Following the sugar, you will need some salt. There will also be some very important measuring utensils that you will need. You will need 1 cup, 1 tablespoon, and half of a teaspoon. In addition to that, you will need 2 Ziploc bags, 1 large bag, and 1 smaller bag. We also use vanilla extract in this. This provides that vanilla ice cream flavoring for it. If you want to get creative, you can add some other flavorings like sprinkles, whipped cream, or whatever you like on your ice cream.
All right, let's make some ice cream. We're gonna be prepping our large Ziploc bag, and the way we're gonna do that is we're gonna take our ice here and fill it up about halfway. So we started off with our Ziploc bag here, the large one, filled up halfway with ice. We're gonna be adding a little bit of salt. Once you do that, go ahead and set that over to the side. And now we're gonna be making our ice cream. So it's gonna help if you use a bowl for this, where we're gonna take our small Ziploc bag now, and we are going to place it inside of the bowl. That's gonna help keep it nice and sturdy for when we pour our ingredients in. Half and half, and we're gonna pour that right on inside. We're gonna add some sugar. 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. Then add some vanilla extract. That's gonna give us that nice ice cream flavor. Boom, just like that. Once we have that, we're gonna take out as much air as possible from this bag. The less air, the better. Once we do that, you have it completely sealed. Make sure it's sealed, that's very important. You gotta place it right on down inside of our bag of ice. We're gonna seal our bag of ice. And ladies and gentlemen, this is my favorite part. It's time to shake.
One eternity later.
Once you've shaken up your bag, we're gonna put it in a bowl.
Thanks so much for tuning in to our latest video. I hope you enjoy your ice cream as much as I enjoyed ours. One quick thing, if you have any ice cream cones at home, you can also feel free to put the ice cream in there, or you can put it back in your bowl to enjoy a delicious treat.